Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Global, where we share some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Delicious hot garlic chicken. This popular Indo Chinese favorite is loved for its delicious balance of spices and rich garlic flavor, making it perfect with fried rice, noodles, or even as a starter. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for hot garlic chicken. In this video, you'll learn an easy restaurant-style recipe using simple everyday ingredients along with useful cooking tips to help you make it perfectly at home. So let's get cooking and prepare this global favorite, delicious hot garlic chicken. Step 1. Marinating the chicken. We have taken 500 grams or half kg of boneless leg chicken pieces. You can also take breast pieces if you prefer it. Cut the chicken into medium-sized cubes. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Add half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Apply the marination nicely to the chicken pieces. Whisk 1 egg white and then add it. Stir everything nicely so that the chicken is properly marinated. Take 5 tablespoons of corn flour. Start by adding more than half the quantity of the corn flour and stir the marinated chicken so that the corn flour coats all the pieces nicely. Now add the remaining corn flour and stir it nicely. Ensure all the chicken pieces are coated properly with the corn flour. Marinated chicken is ready. Cover and keep it aside for at least half an hour. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. For the sauce, in a mixing bowl, add 4 tablespoons or quarter cup of tomato ketchup. Add 3 tablespoons of red chilli sauce. Add quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add 1 teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice powder. Add half teaspoon of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning or aromat powder, or you can use 1 chicken stock cube. Add 1 cup or 250 ml of water. Mix everything nicely. Our sauce is ready. Ingredients for cooking. Take 2 medium-sized onions, cut them into cubes. 3 spring onions. Slice the white part of the spring onions the way I have done. Cut the green part of the spring onions fine. 3 medium-sized green chillies. Slice the green chillies the way I have done. 20 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Cut them fine. 4 Bedgi red chillies. Break them into medium-sized pieces. To make corn flour slurry, take 1 tablespoon of corn flour in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of water and mix it nicely. Corn flour slurry is ready. Step 3. Frying the chicken. Place a wok or a kadai on medium heat and add cooking oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, mix the marinated chicken well and add the pieces one by one. Do not overcrowd the pan by adding too many pieces at one time. Fry for around 4 to 5 minutes until they turn slightly golden brown. If the pan is small, fry them in more batches. Turn them around so that all the sides are evenly cooked. To learn how to make Chinese 5-spice powder, refer to our recipe, the link for which is given in the description box, or just comment 5-spice powder and we will send you the recipe link. Remove them after 4 to 5 minutes. Once they turn slightly golden brown, place the chicken pieces in a strainer or on a paper napkin to get rid of the excess oil. Similarly, fry the remaining chicken pieces if you are frying them in multiple batches. We fried the chicken in 3 batches. Once all the chicken pieces are fried, fry them for a second time to make it extra crispy. Increase the heat to medium-high and add the chicken pieces that were fried first. Fry the chicken for a minute on medium-high heat. Once done, remove them and place them in a strainer or on paper napkins to get rid of the excess oil. Do this for all the remaining batches you had fried earlier. Fried chicken is ready. Step 4. Preparing the hot garlic chicken. Remove the extra oil and keep around 3 tablespoons of oil in the pan. Place the same pan on medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, add the onion cubes. Stir everything nicely until the onions turn translucent. Once the onions turn translucent, add the garlic pieces. Stir everything nicely. After a minute, add the spring onion whites. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. After a minute, add the red chillies. Also add the green chillies. Stir everything nicely. After a minute or so, add the sauce. Mix everything properly. Check for taste and add whatever is required. Once the sauce gets a nice boil, add the corn flour slurry. Mix everything gently until the sauce thickens.
Subscribe to Get Cooking Global for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Press the bell icon so that you're instantly notified when we upload a new recipe.
Then add the fried chicken. Mix everything properly so that all the chicken pieces are coated nicely with the sauce. Check for salt and add if required. After a minute or so, add the cut spring onion greens. Mix everything nicely. Once done, put the heat off. Enjoy the hot garlic chicken with fried rice or noodles, or just relish it as a starter. Delicious hot garlic chicken is ready. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Share this video with your friends and family, and do subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.